So the last 2012 box is 2012 certified. Gonna have 4 hits. Usually 2 autos, 2 jerseys. Sometimes they change it up though. 10 packs. See if we can hit a Luck or a Wilson or a RG3. Alright, 2012 certified, 10 packs. Pack number 1. Reggie Bush. Gonna see some ink. Gonna start it off with a hit. So we got base cards and a hit. The first hit is an auto for the Buccaneers, Levante David. Levante David. Oh, nice. Numbered out of 49. Nice low numbered. Levante David for the Buccaneers out of 49. Nice hit for the Bucks. Pack number 2. Got a rookie. Just got a rookie in this pack. For the Lions, Riley Reef. Riley Reef out of 9.99. Pack number 3. See a blue one. And it's just a parallel. Got a blue parallel for the Chiefs of Matt Castle. Matt Castle for the Chiefs, numbered 1 out of 100. So I guess a 101 for eBay. Matt Castle for the Chiefs, blue. Pack number 4. Have an Immortals of Rod Smith, numbered out of 9.99. Rod Smith Immortals, 9.99 for the Broncos. Got 6 packs left. Still looking for 3 more hits. See if we can find one right here. And there's an auto here. Looks like it's going to be a decent one. So we just have the auto. This one goes to the Colts, Levon Brazil. Levon Brazil green auto. And if you follow certified, the green autos are numbered out of 5. So nice, fairly low numbered. Could be a better player, but he might, I think he's still on the team, so he might get some playing time. I want to hold on to that one. Levon Brazil, number 3 out of 5. Nice hit. All right, 5 packs left. Still 2 hits left. It's got a rookie here. Rookie for the Chiefs, Cyrus Gray. Cyrus Gray out of 9.99. 4 packs left. 2 hits left. So we got 50-50 shot in this pack. And looks like it's going to be a hit. Move that one to the back. Alright, just got the hit. And it's going to be a jersey card for the Steelers, Terry Bradshaw. Nice. Terry Bradshaw, numbered out 199. Nice jersey card. Goes to the Steelers. I think that's the 3rd Steelers hit too. Terry Bradshaw for the Steelers out of 199. So we got 3 packs left. Just 1 more hit left. Not going to be this pack. Having Immortals of Doug Flutie for the Chargers. Doug Flutie for the Chargers out of $9.99. Alright, 2 packs left. 1 hit left. Is it going to be right here? And I see a backwards card, so it's going to be the last hit. Alright. The last hit is the jumbo jersey for the Cardinals. Michael Floyd. Michael Floyd freshman fabric out of 199 or 149. Michael Floyd for the Cardinals, numbered 149. And the last pack, empty box. Maybe hit a nice parallel in this last pack. All the hits are gone. See a red. Got a parallel. For the Redskins, Alfred Morris. Rookie mirror red, numbered out of 250. Alfred Morris for the Redskins out of 250. So that does it for